Hello everyone, Adriana Roth here again. We have another video. We want to show you another treatment. So I want to talk about fibroblasting. So let me put my mask here because we do have a patient right here. So we're with Lena and with Sandra, in case you don't see the similarities, my sister. So we have Lena here doing some of the fibroblasting. This is going to create tightening of the skin. So think about just the skin to have a good quality or better quality. And Lena, tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Hi everyone, we do have our beautiful model and we're doing a fibroblast. We just finished this side and you can see we're trying to help her to look even more beautiful. We did under eyes and a little bit on crossfit right here. Perfect. She is actually very sensitive, and we try, just please make sure to have a good numbing cream. Apply it, I would say 25 minutes, 30 minutes before. Make sure, very important, to clean it with alcohol and then leave it a couple minutes because it's a dry healing process. Also, it's a dry treatment too. And then try, very important in fibroblasts, to follow those patterns like we did here.
Okay.
And then make sure to tell your client the post instructions. Very, very important. Tell her it's a dry healing process and make sure no sun exposure, and the dots will be there for 5 to 7 days.
Thank you, Lena. That's great. So how much money can we make? Let's talk about revenue, right? Because we want to increase our revenues. You can charge around $500 per area, and trust me, people are okay with that because it's going to be something that they're going to see results, that is going to be long lasting, and this is how you can market it. And so $500 per area is how much money you can make, and you can repeat the treatment, of course, if it's needed. If you want more information, we are going to have this class online as well, so we'll be happy to share with you. Send us your email and we'll send you some information. We do the certification, we help you with forms for the patient. We also do support, and we're here to help anytime. So ongoing support is huge. The class doesn't end when you finish. This is when everything starts, and we are here to support you. So thank you for your time, and you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe.